Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I recently got invited to an AMD experience event for the newly launched Ryzen 7000 series processors, which was followed by an interactive session with the engineer and the country head for AMD India, which we will talk about in a bit. I will also be unboxing the media kit that I received, and I'm as excited as y'all are to see what's inside it. So let's get on with the video. Firstly, it was a very well organized event, so kudos to the AMD team. It was amazing meeting them as well as all the other creators that were present, just the way it should have been, especially after not having any events or physical interactions over the past few years. So first on stage we had Mr. Srinivas, the country head for AMD India, telling us how AMD is always pushing the limits with its CPUs, and we have seen the same over the years, especially with the 5000 and now the 7000 series. They also shared the 3 prime design goals for the Zen 4 architecture and showed what these goals have achieved over the 5000 series processors. They then revealed the pricing for the new processors. I really feel the prices were good except for the 7600X, which could have been a little cheaper in order to make it a good budget gaming processor. However, this is only possible if the new chipset board prices drop in the coming future. They then spoke about AMD's new Expo technology, and I'm sure we are all excited to see how this technology performs and if it can keep the new DDR5 RAM stable in all 4 slots, which currently is a nightmare on the Team Blue side with the 12th gen. Additionally, we have the PCIe 5.0 storage devices lined up to be released this November, which will enable us to utilize the complete bandwidth of the PCIe 5.0 slots on the new motherboards. Now let's take a look at 2 of the most interesting questions asked to the AMD's technical team. Will we be seeing a 3D cache version of the 7000 series? Yes, we will be seeing them soon. Though they didn't reveal a date, I feel once they are out, even Team Blue's 13th gen will have a hard time. So I really feel it's worth the wait. Next, will we see 7000 series G processors with better GPUs coming, as the current processors already have onboard GPU, which is really helpful. Neither did it deny the possibility nor confirm for the same. So we might have some G processors cooking up for the near future. Who knows? Lastly, we're going to take a look at some of the performance numbers, which I know y'all are really interested in. Though at the time of this video being out, the Raptor Lake would have been released, so an in-depth comparison video will be coming out soon. Until then, we do have the numbers which were taken against the current competition available. A huge shout out to G-Tech for providing these graphs, as benchmarking and getting numbers is a very painstaking job, and one can only imagine how many hours would have gone in compiling these results. We can now go ahead with my favorite part, which is unboxing this goodie bag. So let's get right into it. Here we go. We are going to take this out. Oh, so there is some protective packaging which we will rip open, because that's how we do unboxings on this channel. Okay, it's upside down and I have botched it. So this is the box. I have barely managed to keep everything inside after getting a little sneak peek, but we're just going to open it right away. Ooh, and okay, so we have a good few things here. We first have the thermal paste from Cooler Master. This is going to come in very handy. I'm going to use it for a lot of builds. Then we are going to move on to this t-shirt. Let's just open it up. Okay, so we have a good clean print on the t-shirt. I'll probably wear it for the next shot, and I'm going to keep this aside for now. And okay, so I'm going to zoom in for this. This is something really very cool. This is a Ryzen 7000 series keychain. Okay, lastly we have something else here. The box is empty, so I'm going to keep it aside. This looks kind of a gadget, so I'm just going to see what exactly it is. And oh my god, this is a Google Nest Mini. This is a newer generation, if I am not wrong, and my mom's going to take it away and never going to give it to me, so I'll probably never ever get to use it. So that's about it, but that's amazing. This is probably one of the best media kits I've ever received from a brand. I'm just going to keep everything together so y'all can have a quick look at whatever we have got. Just going to put it in the frame so I can properly see it. This has probably been the best part about it, the keychain, because you can get the rest of the things in the market, but this is something you'll probably never get. So yep, that's it. Let's get back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned as we will be coming up with some more videos. Until then, like, subscribe, share, and I will catch you all in the next one.